So in our last video about how to start a t-shirt business, we broke down all the machines we use, and everything we use to make our custom t-shirts. So I want you to go back to that video because we added in the description box all links to everything on all of these things. We had to get everything and get the links, but go back and watch that video because we added it for y'all. But today we're gonna talk more about and get more in detail about how to keep your business running, how to start your t-shirt business. So once you get all your equipment, once you get everything, please don't think that you have to have a physical business or a location to start. I started on my living room floor. Find you a little work area in your house, find your little room in your house, and just get to work. That's the best advice I can give you. So do not think that you need a big building, you need a big space, you need an actual building. No, start in your living room, start on your floor for free, and you can always use that for write-offs. We're gonna teach you about that later on. So always start in your house, find you a little work area. Like I say, I started in my living room on my floor. I found me, cleared my couch out the way, found me a little area where it was a couple outlets, plugged everything up, and I got to work. Number two, I'm gonna drop we're gonna drop down a link of where to get your custom t-shirts from once you get everything going. Like I said, the last video we broke down all the equipment. This video we get to a little bit more detail. So Jiffy Shirts is where I get all my blank t-shirts from. Jiffy Shirts, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. When you go on there, they give both discounts. They got kids shirts, men's shirts, women's shirts, whatever you can think of. They got all brands, all styles, all sizes, all colors. I say Jiffy Shirts is the best wholesale website to get blank t-shirts from. They got jogging pants, hats, just anything that you probably could think of, blank wholesale, Jiffy Shirts got it. So go check out Jiffy Shirts. Number three, you got to probably figure out what you're going to name your business. Before you do that, figure out if you're going to just be making t-shirts for just your business, like just your clothing brand. You're not going to be selling anything, like making custom shirts for anyone else. Or if you're going to be doing custom shirts for like events, birthday parties, you want to figure out what you're going to do with your machine and who you're going to be your target audience. So if you're just selling your plain brand, like my brand, if I was just printing Hoodrich, I'm probably going to just call my brand that, and I make my own t-shirts for my brand. But if you want to do custom t-shirts for events, birthday parties, and things like that, you want to come up with a name for your custom t-shirt business. You want to have a name for that. You want to make sure that name, nobody else is using that name. And you can do that by going on Google and doing a business search, typing in a name, and seeing if anybody else has a name closer to that. Alright, so step 4 or 5, I would say, please do not go on Jiffy Shirts and buy a bunch of shirts to start out. Go inside of your closet, go inside your girl closet, your kid closet, and get a bunch of not dirty, but get a bunch of old t-shirts. Please start printing on old t-shirts first. Nobody tells you this. I went and bought new stuff, and I messed up the new stuff, and it was a waste of money. I don't want you guys to make none of the mistakes I made. That's what I'm here for. This is what the channel is here for. Like I say, go through your closet, go find some old pants, old shirts, old anything, towels, whatever. Start pressing on that first. Start putting anything on that, vinyl, whatever you're using to make your t-shirts. Press on that first. Make sure you got everything down pat. You know, just practice make perfect. So just try to get your practice, get that up before you go spend money on Jiffy Shirts and buy 20 blank shirts and you done messed up 10 of them and you can't even sell them and you done wasted your money. So my whole goal in this whole channel is to avoid the mistakes that I made, and I want you guys to succeed. I want your t-shirt business to strive. So this is what these steps is for. So again, I'm gonna run down the steps again. Again, Jiffy Shirts is where you're gonna get your blank t-shirts when you're ready. With your closet is where you're gonna get your t-shirts for right now. We're gonna figure out what you're gonna name your business, figure out if you just making t-shirts for yourself and your custom brand, or if you're making t-shirts for events, birthday parties, and stuff like that. If you are, you wanna figure out what you wanna name your business. And I say again, you can do that by searching it on Google. Again, you wanna, another cool step I would say with running a t-shirt business is to just be consistent. If you take a time out your day, set yourself a schedule. If you want to make t-shirts, and t-shirts just a hobby, something to do on the side, set yourself 2-3 hours out of your day just to learn, just to practice. Watch, come watch our channel and figure out how to exactly do some t-shirts. But just take your time, don't rush it, don't feel like you have to learn it fast or get it right. Take your time, fail, get back up again and just try again. So my biggest thing is to be consistent and just try. Do not give up. Continue to come watch our channel, because in the next video we're going to do step by step of how to make a t-shirt, whether you're using vinyl or you're using screen print. So again, stay in tune with us. Stay on our channel. We're going to start an event, help you guys to prevent from making any of the mistakes that we made in the beginning, and make sure you have a great, thriving t-shirt business. That is our goal. Thank you, and remember to continue to watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, check the description box to make sure you see all the links and the stuff that we talked about in this video. Go watch our last video, see the description box in there. If you in Greensboro, North Carolina, pull up to the Smoke Shop, 618 North English Street. Come check out the salon, 622 North English Street, right beside each other. If you're anywhere in the world, check out our website, www.hoodrichx.com. Go on there, shop. See what you can get. We got stuff for you, your girl, your kids, whatever. One-stop shop at Hoodrich. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace out.